Marketing fundamentals number 3, positioning, the marketing bread and butter. As marketers, we love this topic. Positioning means getting your message in front of the people most likely to buy your product. If you haven't done your customer research yet, running marketing campaigns will be costly, I guarantee it. You'll probably end up dipping your toes into a few commonly used activities such as Facebook ads or posting leaflets door to door or a classified ad in your local paper without really knowing where your customers are located. This will hit your bank balance hard unless you're very, very lucky on your first attempt. But if you have done your market research, you'll know where best to spend your hard-earned money. There are many types of marketing activities, but the most popular ones include media advertising such as TV, radio, newspapers and online, trade shows, leaflet drops, conferences, email marketing, media adverts, telemarketing and press releases. In fact, there are more marketing activities than you can shake a stick at, and I'll be covering many of them in other tutorials. Don't make the mistake of succumbing to temptation by grabbing any old offer to advertise your business. Remember, it's got to be a place where you know your customers are hanging out. I was recently chatting to a small business owner who runs a local landscape gardening company. They were approached by the organisers of a local entertainment listings guide to run a series of adverts in their magazine at half the normal price. The business owner snapped up the offer because it was almost too good to miss, but they ended up getting absolutely no inquiries from it. If they'd done their research, they'd have known that advertising in a magazine that focused on nightclubbing events wouldn't reach their target audience. It's a costly lesson. Choose your positioning carefully and make sure that you're 100% sure your audience will be there to see your advertising messages. So that's the marketing fundamentals number 3 covered. Look out for the next tutorial on the Rainmakers below. Keeping customers sweet.